Looking for Kangen water and ionized alkaline water in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to have access to clean, healthy water. Our Kangen water and ionized alkaline water systems help improve your hydration, detoxification, and overall well-being. Whether you're tired of buying bottled water or concerned about the quality of your tap water in Sherwood Park, we've got you covered. We know that Sherwood Park residents value both health and cost savings, which is why our team at Kingstree Plumbing provides expert installation of top-of-the-line systems that can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for Kangen water and ionized alkaline water in Sherwood Park.